Okay, so back again, just to finish off the last thought, we can see that the left side and the right side, where what we're doing is testing the Pythagorean theorem. Does the Pythagorean theorem work? We plug in the value for A, plug in the value for B, the other side has C, and we find out that root 10 squared, the square cancels the root and we get 10. The square cancels this root and we get 10. 10 plus 10 is 20, and left side equals right side. Moving on. Last one. Example number 4 says find the length of the median from P for a triangle with vertices P, Q, and R. What's the first step? Hopefully you're thinking, we better draw it. And that's exactly what I expect you to do. So P, Q, R. And again, guys, when you draw these coordinates, let's look at -2, -2. You think about it starting at the origin. -2 means left 2, and then -2 again means down 2. 7, 1, starting at the origin. 7 to the right, 1 down. And again, 1, 5 is 1 to the right and 5 up. So 7, -1, 1, 5, and -2, -2 are the coordinates. We're just sketching these. Again, remember that this is never going to prove anything. This is just going to help you consolidate your solution. So we plot it, we connect it. The next step is to draw the median. The median from P means that it has to, the median from P must go through the following. From P to some point. Median means it must go through the midpoint of the opposite side. So we find the midpoint of our Q, which would be roughly there, and we connect that to midpoint of our Q, capital MRQ, and we connect it to P. This, folks, is the median. What it does is it goes through the vertex and cuts the other side in exactly 2 equal pieces. So we need these coordinates. We have P, but we definitely need the coordinates for M in order to find the length of this median. So let's find the midpoint of our Q. Now how do we do that again? Reminder, R, you take the coordinates for R, which is 1 and 5. Separate the X and the Y. Q is 7, -1. Separate them, add them together, and divide by, you got it, 2. So the midpoint of our Q is 4, 2. We know the coordinates of the midpoint of our Q, and we know the coordinates for P, so therefore we can find the length of P to the midpoint of our Q. So distance from P to the midpoint of our Q is as follows. You have exactly like this with a root sign. You take the coordinates of P, put those in, take the coordinates of M, put those in, and find the value. Once you've found the value, the answer is root 52. Now some of your calculators may be giving you an answer of 2 root 13. If that's true and that's what you're getting, then what I want you to do is to be able to do the inside of the bracket first using your calculator and do not apply the square root so that you get this answer. This answer is only acceptable now in the early stages of grade 10, but you're going to learn quickly. We're going to learn in this coming up what a root 52 is in reduced form, because I'll tell you right now, it's not reduced. All right, we have now found the distance from the length of the median. Sorry, one more time, go back here. Found the length of the median from P. All right, we've done that, so therefore the length of the median from P is root 52 units. That's what I would expect as a therefore. So one more time, you're going to write here, therefore, the length of the median from P for the triangle PQR is root 52 units. Okay, and I expect you to be able to do a therefore statement without me having to write that out for you. So again, don't forget your therefore. This is these are things that I'm going to be looking for as part of your mathematical communication. All right, that's the end of 2.2, folks. On to 2.3. Have a numerical day.